So this is Dave from GoldBay.com here in Spokane, Washington, locally owned and operated business, but we are nationwide. Right now the dental industry has got crowns coming in, gold crowns and alloy crowns that have precious metals in them. And there's a lot of refineries out there in the United States that are sending out jars just like this, and so far we haven't found much of a difference between the refineries that we've run into, as they all offer the same thing. This one jar full is worth $1,000, and same with this company here, same thing, $1,000 if it's full. Now what's the difference between these guys and us? Well, we're going to pay you $3,000 for a full jar. One of the other things that we do that these guys don't do is we'll actually test your gold for you on the spot. If we're in your office or you come in to see us, we can test any yellow gold and pay you directly for it, and then any of the white gold alloys, we have to send those in. But I'll just show you here, I've got a pile of dental gold on my bench, and you'll see that we actually have 3 crowns that are yellow, and then we have a whole bunch of white gold residue. So we just test, simply doing an acid test, take a very light streak of the material, and then we'll use varying degrees of acid to determine the carat value of them. We always start with the lowest acid, which is 10, and what we want to do is we want to watch for the streak to disappear. If the streak disappears, we know it's less than what we just tested. So now we'll go to 14 karat, watch for the streak to either discolor or disappear, and we can see that this one is starting to discolor just a little bit. This one's actually starting to discolor. We'll go to 18 just to double check, see what happens with that. This one immediately disappears. This one immediately disappears. So those two are 14 karat, and this one here might be an 18 karat. And that's what it looks like. The rest of these teeth over here that are the white gold alloy, a lot of times these are palladium and platinum, and what we have to do is we actually have to do an assay on these. So we're going to melt all this stuff together, and then we do what we call as a 4-way assay on it. We're going to test for gold, palladium, platinum, and ruthenium. So that's how we test the gold. I'll take these 3 that we know are yellow gold, the 2 that are 14 karat, weighs 4.6 grams. For that we're going to give you $100. So just for 2 teeth it's $100. Can you see that how a jar full of these is worth $3,000, not $1,000, because the 2 of those barely hit the bottom of the jar. And then this one that's 18 karat, it's 2.6 grams, so this one is going to be $70 just for that. So yeah, we're going to give you $3,000. Everyone else on the market seems to give you $1,000. GoldBay.com, you want 3 times your money? Check us out. We're Better Business Bureau accredited precious metal buyer, and we're nationwide. Thanks.